Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of the Q3 FY26 earnings season. And in today's video, we will be talking about three companies who has, posted outstanding set of numbers. They have posted really great set of numbers, and the management is walking the talk. So the three companies are Borana Weaves, Spectral Electrical Limited, and the third one is your Bansal Roofing System. I know a lot of you guys would just want the name, right? So मैं पहले ही बोल देती हूँ, ठीक है? So the first company that we'll be talking about is Borana Weaves Limited. ये company क्या करते हैं? Very simple सा business model है. These people manufacture आपका the synthetic fabric that is there. Specifically हम बोलते हैं इसको gray fabric. Okay, the spelling is little bit like GREIGH, but it is pronounced as gray, so it is called as gray fabric. Now what is this gray fabric? Immediately जब एक yarn से you know the yarn, right? From that yarn when you make a fabric, that raw fabric that you call, this is called as gray fabric. Now where is this used? It is used across industries. आपका clothing industries, आपका home textile industries, right? आपका tents बनाने में जो fabric का tent बनाता है, आपका curtains में हर जगह यूज होता है. What is this advantage of this gray fabric is, since it is this raw fabric, right, like it is not processed at all, you're not adding any extra material, just जो yarn है उसको आप एक fabric के रूप में convert कर रहे हो, ठीक है? Yarn is nothing but आपका, I think in Hindi you call it धागा, right? From that धागा you make a cloth, you make a fabric. Okay, now what is this advantage of this fabric is, think about it. किसी को शायद पिंक कलर का fabric चाहिए, किसी को ग्रे कलर का, किसी को probably येलो कलर का. Since there is no dyeing used, there is no processing का मतलब you have not added other materials. Whatever आपका जो yarn का material है, आप उसी में ही fabric बना रहे हो. You have not added wool to this to make it like a woolen wear. You have not added some polyester का various other things to make it use it for like a gym kind of clothing. Since it is this absolutely raw fabric, you can use it across industries. ठीक है, आप बेच सकते हो across industries. Second, since इसमें कोई dye नहीं लगता, again multiple ways it can be used. Okay, so this is a huge advantage of having this gray fabric, आपका जो gray fabric बोलते हैं. Now what is this? ये Borana Weaves अभी क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? इनका अगर आप देखते हो, पहले right before they came to IPO, they had 3 plants, and again this is a Gujarat based company. They are based out of Gujarat, okay, and they had 3 plants, but unfortunately these 3 plants were already running at maximum capacity. Okay, they were running at an average between 65 to 70% utilization. Right now they wanted to start a new plant, but इसके लिए आपको IPO, you're not IPO, you need a funding over here. So they came for IPO, raised money, and used this entire proceed that is there for 2 things. One is certain debt repayment, and the second thing is यहाँ पे एक unit 4 खड़ा करने में. Yes, speciality part of this unit 4 is, until now the 3 units that is there, the combined manufacturing capacity of these 3 units was roughly around 18, I think you can tell 18 lakhs per annum, 18 lakh meters per annum they were doing. Now after this unit 4, the capacity was increased by almost 50%, taking the total production capacity to 34 lakh meters annually, that is there. ठीक है, and ये जो एक और खासियत है इस unit 4 का, it was supposed to be started like by Q3 का end, but these people started the production, they finished the capex way ahead of the timeline, and I think initially the plant went, it was completely done in August 2025, and the first trial of the production went live in October of 2025. Okay, so it went way ahead of its planned timeline, that is there. इसके वजह से क्या हुआ? Because like I told you, right, because of this unit 4, आपका volume का capacity जो है, आपका manufacturing capacity जो है, it increased by 50%, and as of now this unit 4 that is there, it is operating at 49% capacity utilization. इसके वजह से आप देख सकते हो ये जो sales है, sales has been up by 42% and PAT is up by 75%. All and all because of one thing and one thing only, it's because of this capex. ये capex के वजह से volume growth आ रहा है, आपका asset turnover आ रहा है, margin has always been decent, there has been no degrowth in margin. As a result आपका asset turnover हो रहा है, आपका margin profile is also stable, आपको financial leverage भी मिला, ROE is improving also gradually. ठीक है, so this is the story of Borana Weaves Limited. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे मैं बात करूँ इसका एक नेगेटिव जो है इज वन थिंग, द बिगेस्ट नेगेटिव यू कैन टेल इज रॉ मटेरियल प्राइस का वॉलिटिलिटी, विच यू कैन नॉट रियली कमेंट ऑन बिकॉज यू डू नॉट नो यार्न का प्राइस कब नीचे आएगा, कब ऊपर जाएगा, एंड दैट इज इट. दिस इज द मेजर रिस्क आई कैन टेल विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द बिजनेस. देन द नेक्स्ट कंपनी विल बी डूइंग इज स्पेक्ट्रम इलेक्ट्रिकल इंडस्ट्रीज. नाउ व्हाट इज द स्पेक्ट्रम इलेक्ट्रिकल इंडस्ट्रीज? ये क्या करते हैं? ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर है फॉर द B2B बिजनेसेस. What exactly are they doing contract manufacturing of? You might have seen this electrical boxes in your home, right? जिसमें आपका बेडरूम का और हॉल का सबका एक एक स्विच रहता है, राइट. इट विल बी देयर एट द एंट्रेंस. आपके जो इलेक्ट्रिकल बॉक्सेस है, आपका जो ईवी का चार्जिंग स्टेशन है, ऑल ऑफ दिस डिफरेंट इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट्स दैट आर देयर, these people make that. Okay, even they used to make this medical equipment also. Now यहाँ पे recently, almost a year back, what they have done is they started also this EV का part that is there, they were not manufacturing it earlier. In the last couple of years they've entered into the EV manufacturing also, that is manufacturing your EV का charger and various other EV का components that is there. इसके लिए उन्होंने उनका एक plant था, these people have 3 plants in Gujarat and Bangalore respectively. वहाँ पे they have added a 300,000 square feet का capacity also. Okay, in this plant called as I might be pronouncing it wrong, Jalgaon, I think that is the name of the place. So this is where they put up their plant. उनका एक वहाँ पर एक plant था, they put up another plant nearby. Okay, and this total investment for them costed around 150 crore. इसका खासियत ये है कि like in FY24 इसका revenue था 328 crore. That time the management had given the guidance कि like in the next 4 years, FY24 से in the next 4 years मतलब क्या, FY28 we will be targeting 800 crores. From 328 से कहा 800 करोड़, which means what, आपका CAGR कितना हुआ, 25% का CAGR से the company can grow every year. This is what they had planned. And if you look at FY25 का revenues, it has been exactly that only. ठीक है, FY24 अगर आप देखते हो 23 versus 24 that is there last year, अगर आप देखते हो पूरा साल भी 25% का CAGR से ग्रो किया. Even this year if you look at it, it looks like they are on the guided trajectory, because अगर आपको 25% CAGR इस साल करना है, then you should be roughly touching the top line of 502 crores. अगर मैं 9 months का मैं अगर revenues निकालती हूँ, sales निकालती हूँ, then the sales comes up to 328 crores in 9 months. And for this industry जो है Spectrum Electrical Industry, H2 is greater than H1. More so over here, Q3 and Q4 are heavy months. Q4 especially is a greater quarter. Okay, अगर आपका 500 करोड़ का टारगेट है and already you have done 328 crore in 9 months, another rest 140 150 crore shouldn't be a problem, because in Q3 alone if you have done 128 crore, so they should be आराम से doing this also. इसके वजह से इसका आप देख सकते हो sales is up by 76%, PAT is also up by 3x over here. So again this is another company, last year में भी guidance को execute किया था, this year also they look like in line with executing the guidance. The last company अगर मैं बोलूँ, the last company over here is Bansal Roofing Products. इसका भी अगर आप देखते हो sales is up by 46%, PAT is up by 57%. Actually Bansal Roofing Product, I believe everybody is talking about this PEB space, right? अभी right, pre-engineering building का, and यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो EPAC है, Interact building है, there's a lot of hype around this space that is there. और think about it, right? जितना capex बढ़ेगा उतना यहाँ पे PEB buildings you will require. Why? Because think about it, now यहाँ पे पूरा का पूरा हमारा boom कहाँ पे हो रहा है, e-commerce and warehousing. Okay, this is the 2 big industries that you can tell. But unfortunately जो इतना e-commerce industry का boom हो रहा है ना, almost e-commerce industry is growing by 20%. Okay, now think about it, अगर इतना e-commerce grow कर रहे हैं, हर एक जगह में warehouse होना चाहिए ना, but we do not have that warehouse capacity. And also over here it is not possible to like spend years and years, because एक warehouse, imagine if you're putting up a traditional warehouse, land खरीद के वहाँ पे वो सीमेंट का structure and डालना, it becomes too difficult. Think about it, right? Blinkit, Instamart, आपका Zepto and all, you need to put up warehouse very very quickly over here, right? इसलिए क्या करते हो, these people use a PEB because the downtime that is there in order to put the structure, it is very very quick over here. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे demand तो है, and here if you look at it again, probably the demand over here has been because these people had entered the PEB space. If you talk about it in the year 2014 2015 only, that set up a manufacturing facility, maybe again because of the PEB ka space, the boom that is seeing, and these people are also participating in that space, and they have been doing so for the last 10 years over here, for almost a decade. Maybe the product mix is favoring in their sales towards PEB. That is why you see that the sales and PAT that is there has been has grown exponentially. Now one thing that is common across these 3 companies that I told you, Borana Weaves, Bansal Roofing Products and Spectrum Electrical Industries, सबका अगर आप देखते हो रिजल्ट अच्छा है, मार्जिन्स आर इंप्रूविंग. अगर मैं बात करूँ, EPS इज ग्रोइंग, पैट इज ग्रोइंग. इमीडिएटली आपको इनकम स्टेटमेंट देख के यू हैव टू बी लाइक टिक 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 टिक. रिमेंबर द इन्वेस्टमेंट चेकलिस्ट में वी टॉट यू कि लाइक व्हाट आर द थिंग्स यू नीड टू लुक फ्रॉम द इनकम स्टेटमेंट, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स यू नीड टू फाइंड, हाउ टू गेट योर आंसर्स फ्रॉम द इनकम स्टेटमेंट्स alone. If you go through their income statements, all these 3 companies, it's like hitting all the points in the checklist. Check, 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 check. So what is the problem over here with these 3 companies? Lack of information. I can tell you this, okay? These 3 companies, they have come out with an IPO. once upon a time they came out with a PPT and साल में एक बार annual report आता है, that is it. These companies don't do management interview. Yes, they have given a guidance, but ये guidance will it be executed? It is like मोमाया, like for example Spectrum Electrical, ठीक है, बोला है 800 करोड़ करेगा, कर रहा है, but ultimately every quarter when you're opening the PPT, it's like you have to pray to God and you have to open the PPT कि like भाई hopefully they have done that 25% kind of growth, that is something you need to pray for. You have to live with that anxiety with companies like these three, okay, because there is no information at all. You do not know what to expect. कि like ठीक है यहाँ पे इतना capex है, but you do not know capacity utilization क्या हो रहा है, right? कि like order book है, but order book execute हो रहा है कि नहीं, you do not know. कि like यहाँ पे product mix हो रहा है, but product mix किस rate से बढ़ रहा है, you do not know, ठीक है? कल अगर शायद sales growth 19-20 हो जाए, but you will not know कि like if it is seasonal, if it is a one time thing, शायद कुछ order book का कुछ maybe there has been a delay in execution. Anything can happen over here and you do not know. यहाँ पे आपको भगवान के भरोसे में जीना पड़ेगा, not even the management का भरोसा, भगवान के भरोसे में आपको you have to like every time wait कि like अरे Q3 का रिजल्ट आ रहा है, Q4 का रिजल्ट आ रहा है, भाई प्लीज 25% का ग्रोथ कर लो. This is the biggest problem over here, the unknown, right? कि like what to expect next quarter. इस क्वार्टर अच्छा किया but next quarter अच्छा करेगा या भागेगा आपको भी नहीं मालूम, मैनेजमेंट को भी शायद नहीं मालूम, सिर्फ भगवान का मालूम है. So that is the only thing I can tell. Great companies, but I would say these are the companies that companies are nice, execution है, capex है, volume growth है, सब चंगा चल रहा है, but ultimately investing in these companies if you have to do, it reminds me of that that guy in Crime Patrol जो बोलता है सावधान रहे सतर्क रहे. That is something you'll have to do if you're putting your money behind it. It doesn't mean that these companies won't make money or anything. Obviously जिसका sales growth है, operating leverage है, ROE improve हो रहा है, capex कर रहा है, volume growth आ रहा है, definitely valuation is reasonable, definitely इन सब का पैसा बनेगा. But having said that, जिस दिन यहाँ पे ग्रोथ गायब हो जाता है, it is like you're waiting on the train के like to get down when your station comes, and if you miss your station, if you forget to exit at the right time, then forget about all the gains that you made. जो आपका capital है वो भी शायद vanish हो सकता है. So that is a risk you possess over here. So yeah, great companies, but like how that Crime Patrol का episode ends, I will tell the same thing कि like सावधान रहो, सतर्क रहो.